to Ningbo POYIJIM Jewelry Co Ltd. We are a specialized fine jewelry and custom jewelry manufacturer located in Ningbo, China. With over 30 years of history, our company is known for its integrity and high-quality supply chains, and we are dedicated to providing OEM services to jewelry enterprises, both at home and abroad. We are proud to have introduced advanced technologies and equipment to our company, and through years of improvement and innovation, we have become a well-known jewelry enterprise. At POYIJIM, all of our processes, including R&D, production, inspection, selling, and others, are of a high standard. We have a wide range of production areas, including our specialized electroplate plant, gemstone workshop, casting workshop, grinding workshop, abrasion, welding, polishing, gemstone setting workshop, quality inspection workshop, packing workshop, and other modern facilities. Our products have been exported to many countries including France, the United States, Japan, and Malaysia, building a reputation for trust and quality among our clients. We are committed to continuously improving and are ready to work with more partners to build a better future for the jewelry market. Thank you for watching and learning about Ningbo POYIJIM Jewelry Co Ltd. We hope to work with you soon.